Bro, what is he doing?
Come on! 30 seconds, come on! Come on! You gotta slide through that door to hit the button! Go, go, go! You're almost outside! Go, go! Come on! Hurry before the bomb blows up! And after he won with 19 seconds left, we cleared the money out of the way of the bomb and asked what he was gonna spend it on.
I'm having a baby tomorrow.
What? And then we blew the building up.
I hope you enjoyed the explosion. We have to make this video exactly 10 minutes.